welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you all my fall tablescape tour. So yes, I thought that I'll just go ahead and style my fall dining room table and share with you all how I set it up and styled it for the fall season. And then I'll kind of take you all on the little mini tour and explain to you all what I have came up with. So yeah, so let's get started. So if you're interested in home decor videos, I would love to have you stay and continue to watch and become part of our decorating family. So okay, you guys, so here is a kind of a panoramic view of my dining room table and how I have everything styled. And yes, it's giving me all kinds of fall festive vibes and everything, and I just love how everything has turned out. So for my tablescape things, I definitely wanted to keep with the neutral theme, but I do love the burnt oranges, the browns, the creams, and things of that nature. So I definitely wanted to keep in with the with that kind of a theme for this tablescape. So for my centerpieces, I just added some nice little cute little velvet pumpkins, and I added these beautiful little floral arrangements here, and I kind of just used floral arrangements that are already, well, florals that I had already laying around the house, some that had a nice little fall flair to it, and I decided to put them in this little cute little candle holder and created some nice little arrangements. Then I also added these little velvet pumpkins. I had these little mini ones here. I got those from Marshall's, and then I have this nice little beautiful burnt orange one that I got from Michael's as well. And I just kind of have this larger one sitting on this little small mini magnolia wreath to kind of add in some greenery and kind of give it a more of a give it more of a centerpiece kind of style. And then here's a close-up of my my place setting here. I just kind of took the napkin and tucked it in some silver napkin rings, and I just stuck in some nice greenery in each of the napkin rings to kind of give it a little extra fall flair. Then I picked up these nice, beautiful little pumpkin plates from Home Goods. I think they were like $4.99 or something like that a piece. And I absolutely love these plates, you guys. It just gave me all kinds of fall vibes, and I definitely wanted to incorporate that on my tablescape. And then for my charger is in this beautiful little kind of like I want to say almost like a pewter color, but I got this from Michael's stores. These were like $3.19 a piece, and I thought it would fit in really, really well with my fall color scheme. Then I found these nice little placemats here from Home Goods. You get, I think it was 6 of them. Actually, I don't think, was it Home Goods? I don't know if it was Home Goods. I think it was maybe Burlington. But you get 6 in the pack for, I believe, $12.99. And I thought it was really, really nice because it's so nice and cute. And it actually has a nice little shimmer to it as well. So I thought it will pair nice with my place setting here. Now for my silverware, I just went ahead and placed a nice fork there, just something simple to kind of finish off the place setting. And then for the stemware, I just kind of used these wine glasses that I already had around the house. I actually had a set of 6, but one of my kids ended up breaking one of the glasses. So for the head tables, I just went ahead and added these nice little flutes that I had in the cabinet to kind of finish off the look. Then I also went and added some decorative pillows to the head tables as well. I added these champagne colored pillows that I had from that I got from Pure One, and actually you guys probably have seen these on my sofa. I just kind of moved them over here to my dining room table. Then I added some nice candle holders here. These candle holders you guys have seen before, so I just ended up just incorporating them in my tablescape, and I just added some nice little pillar candles here to the candle holders as well. And then on this side of my dining room table, I have a bench here. So all I did was kind of added a nice little throw and a nice little decorative pillow to this side as well. So okay, you guys, so this is the view of my table setting from the other side of the dining room table, and I'm absolutely loving how everything has turned out, you guys. I definitely wanted to go with a stronger fall vibe for my dining room table. I just wanted to make sure I incorporate the season of fall in there very well, and I definitely wanted to give off that fall vibe and that fall feel. So I definitely went ahead and placed a lot of fall florals, a lot of greenery, and a lot of pumpkins and everything to kind of give it that fall flair. But I'm loving how everything has turned out, you guys. And yes, I definitely I try to utilize everything that I already had at home. Only thing that I ended up purchasing was the pumpkin plates and the chargers and the placemats. But actually the pumpkin plates, I bought those months ago, I think from Home Goods. I don't know if I shared with you all in a haul or not, but I did purchase those in one of my shop with me videos, I believe. So yes, I'm definitely was excited to play around with those and set those out for the fall season, because I absolutely love these plates, and then I love how everything has come together. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not part of our decorating family already, I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our family. So don't forget to click that red subscribe button and turn your bell on so you won't miss any of my uploads. And you guys, I found these cutest little coasters from Ross Stores. It's in the shape of a pumpkin. It's kind of like a beaded and brown and cream color, and I thought these was like so super cute. And you get like a pack of 4. I think they were like $3.99 each. So I just went ahead and set some coasters on each side of the table to add a little bit of more decor to the table as well, and then also to be able to hold the drinks on there as well. So if you guys are enjoying this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And yes, I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.